And today's rain and yesterday's rain actually aren't even included in that update. So that will be included in next week's update. And we actually have a series of storms that are going to continue to impact, especially northern and central California, where we're 3 seasons behind where we should be. So that's when we're talking about we need a lot more rain. So we're going to be getting it. I'll show you that in a second, but it's a gloomy but really spectacular shot over Coronado as we look towards the Hotel Del. Pinpoint Doppler Live is picking up on a few light showers here or there. I think the heaviest one is right here, right at our border up towards Orange County, Camp Pendleton up towards San Clemente. A little bit of a heavier shower there. And it's pretty isolated all across Southern California. The worst of the rain is over, but we're still continuing to see that moisture surging into the state. You can see all of California still getting some rain, and a few more storms are going to be rolling in well into next week. So a lot more rain to come. In fact, some areas could see 15 to 30 more inches of rain as we head into mid-January in central and northern California. We're pretty chilly. It's 56 degrees in Poway right now. Vista, Oceanside, downtown, La Jolla, and National City all in the 60s. On top of the rain that I was talking about earlier, the accumulations that we've seen, we also saw some really strong winds. Palomar Mountain, not only did they see the most rain, 2.3 inches, also the strongest wind gusts here locally, near 50 miles per hour. Poway not far behind, 43-mile-per-hour gusts, and then Coronado, RB, Camp Pendleton, and Mount Laguna also those winds over 30 miles per hour. Still pretty breezy, but not as windy as it was early this morning. We're seeing a few gusts over 20, like in Julian, Big Black Mountain right now, Mount Laguna gusting up to about 17, a little bit less, but still pretty breezy out in La Jolla. Sunshine returns tomorrow. It's going to be pretty chilly overnight. Temperatures are going to be warming into the 60s by tomorrow afternoon. Most of the county will be in the low to mid 60s. I do think Poway will be one of the warmer spots at about 65, low 60s up and down our coastline. Unless you're in La Jolla, Mission Beach, OB, I'm forecasting out 58, 59 degrees. All right, I'm going to put 10 News Futurecast into play, and we're going to look well into next week. So we're still dealing with the rain right now. That will be tapering off tonight, but then another system rolls into northern and central California Saturday into Sunday. This is that slight chance for a little bit of rain that I was talking about. As you can see, clearly most of it stays to the north of us, but we're going to be on the fringe of the bottom layer of it. So there's a slight chance we could see a few showers Sunday and then rinse and repeat into Monday. It's Tuesday that our next good chance for some widespread rain rolls on in. All of California going to be getting in on the rain for the next several days. It's Southern California that's pretty much going to miss out on that Sunday, Monday event. Tuesday looking like it's going to be pretty wet. And then by the end of next week, I think next weekend, we're going to see another round of pretty significant rainfall arriving here. So we're not done yet, but we are getting a brief break from that rain. Showers tapering off tonight, dry and sunny tomorrow. We will see increasing clouds during the day on Saturday, but it will also be dry. The big story over the next 24 hours is going to be the high surf that continues along our coastline, especially tomorrow afternoon when high tide rolls in. That's going to be the greatest threat for coastal flooding. We're still looking at waves of 10 to 16 feet. Again, that high surf warning and coastal flood advisory in effect until 6 p.m. tomorrow. And several more storms are going to take us well into mid-January. So again, slight chance for a little bit of rain Sunday and Monday. I would say if you have outdoor plans, go ahead and keep them. Tuesday, maybe reschedule if you can. Be prepared for some slow commutes on Tuesday. Temperatures will stay in the low to mid 60s into next week along our coastline, while inland neighborhoods will actually be closer to normal by Monday, closer to 70 degrees. How about that? Average is about 68, 69 degrees for this time of the year. Tuesday's system looks relatively warm, so once again, not expecting to really see any snow in our local mountains. The mountain areas will warm into the 50s by this weekend. We'll stay in the 50s through Tuesday and then a little bit chillier as we end next week. And for the desert areas, not expecting to see any rain with the Sunday and Monday storms here. We'll actually warm into the 70s by then. Tuesday looking like your next chance for a few showers.